What's going on, guys? So, I recorded a whole video of me installing interior panels in the Supra and the diff and some work I did on the Corvette, and my GoPro decided it had other plans. So, I'm recording. We are back working in the garage. So I got these dash panels redone by Colton Glunt. I'll put his link right here. He redid all my dash panels, both driver's side and passenger side. I have the HVAC and the gauge cluster are currently with Stu Hagen, so that's getting done. So yeah, see, he did this one too. They turned out great. So I can't wait to get those all installed once I get everything back from Stu. The OS Geiken, oh, it's snowing again. Nice. The OS Geiken LSD is installed in my diff. That's ready to go. Transmission has been rebuilt and upgraded with Marlin crawler bits, and it had the little vent mod done. I'm waiting for the plug for this so it works like factory, and I'm actually getting a new shifter. This is actually a tripod transmission, and why they put this on, I'll never know, but this is coming off, which means I gotta take off the back case and slide it out to get off the little shifter thingy inside of here. But yeah, so I'm upgrading that back to the tripod shifter. I didn't order the clutch yet because I'm not 100% sure which clutch I'm going with. I think I found the one I want, but not 100% sure. I haven't modified this yet to move the air intake sensor down. What else? Well, that leaked everywhere, so that's awesome. All right, well, okay, just had to put a little rag underneath there and start soaking that oil up. That sucks. That's really expensive gear oil that leaked out. Okay, so I started ripping this apart. This is getting a cam, headers, a bunch of other stuff, but I'm waiting on a tool because my 1/2-inch impact can't bust that my 1/2-inch impact can't bust that bolt loose. So I'm waiting on this clamp that goes, you take off the starter and it like bolts to where the starter bolts and locks into the flywheel, so you can take that bolt off. And I'm gonna need it for torquing it back on anyway. So that's not gonna be here till next week. But this thing has a lot of new parts. You got new covers, headers, and nice exhaust. We're deleting that air pump garbage that's on there. Nice big old intake instead of the factory one. So this is getting some major upgrades, and then it's gonna get a tune, and this thing should rip. But yeah, so we've been working in the garage, trying to get stuff accomplished, and I will show you guys why we haven't been working in the garage for a while and why we're just now starting again. So I've been doing nothing but hanging drywall in this basement for probably a month. So that's why you guys haven't been getting any car videos. The mud, you good? The mud guy already started. I just have to finish some spots right here and that up there, and then I'm done drywalling. But he already started the mud work. So it's gonna be time for paint soon. And then build our bar, put the projector in, do the carpet. So I'm pretty excited. But yeah, I hung all this drywall by myself. Literally not one person helped me. That sucked. Allie put her hand in it. We were playing beer pong and she put her hand in it. So yeah. But yeah, we're getting there. So, but that's what I've been doing. And now we're working on the car again. So waiting on my shifter to get in. I'll do a video of tearing the case apart, which I don't want to do, but I have to do to put the shifter in. And it should be fairly easy because I should only have to take off the back half. So I'm not too worried. But yeah, it's a short video. Just excited to be working on cars again. All right, guys. Well, we have a lot of exciting stuff coming up here soon with the Supra and with this Corvette. And just make sure your post notifications are on. We'll catch you guys later.